MONAT is modern nature, combining cutting-edge science, clinical research, and the best of Mother Nature to create products that support hair health, promote hair longevity, and delay the appearance of premature hair aging. MONAT's approach to hair has risen from industry standards and set the stage for the future of hair care. And today, they have done it again by focusing on the cause of aging, dull, lifeless hair, and exploring the most critical aspects that help support a healthy-looking scalp and vibrant head of hair: hydration. Why? Much like our skin, hair ages. Hair science is dedicated to addressing all aspects of supporting hair health, promoting hair longevity, and delaying the appearance of premature hair aging.
We wanted to go after something that was new and innovative, and something that addressed hydration, because hydration is very important in hair care.
So when you have the proper hydration, you look youthful, you look young, you can manipulate your hair, you can style it whichever way you want.
Our hair is thirsty. It craves hydration. But because of environmental factors, styling trends, diet, and everyday stress, it's been hard to give hair the drink it needs. Until now. Introducing a new state-of-the-art proprietary and clinically proven ingredient exclusive to MONAT. This is Rejuveniqe S, super activated oil. Our team of scientists and formulators combine the nourishing and revitalizing powers of Rejuvenique's 13+ botanical oils and extracts with a new patented activated oil blend.
We took Rejuveniqe and added a blend of jojoba extract and olive oil to supercharge or to activate Rejuveniqe. And through testing, we found out that it was extremely effective.
And the measured clinical results prove that it works.
In the studies, looking at the efficacy of the Rejuveniqe S compared to an untreated control, we were able to see a boost of over 30% hydration.
Hyaluronic acid is a naturally occurring polysaccharide that has the capability of holding up to 1,000 times its own weight in water. Because of this, hyaluronic acid helps maintain the normal hydration of the skin and scalp by retaining water. It's what helps give the skin and hair youthful resilience and healthy radiance.
Your body normally produces hyaluronic acid, which binds some moisture. And so as you get older, sometimes you produce a little bit less, and you need a little bit of help with that moisturization and hydrating parts of the skin and the hair.
The more hyaluronic acid that one has, the greater the moisture binding capability, and the greater the moisture binding capability, the more you can improve the hydration of the hair, the elasticity, the manageability of the hair. So it's extremely important.
Rejuveniqe S is an innovative and unique botanical complex designed exclusively for MONAT to help promote enhanced hydration, improve suppleness, and restore a natural radiant glow to the skin and hair. MONAT's exploration of hydration is changing the future of the hair care industry.
And they're the only ones that can use it. It was made specifically for MONAT.
Obviously, I'm biased, but I think it supersedes anything that's available out there. Again, look at this technology with Rejuveniqe S. Nobody else has this technology, and nobody ever will except MONAT.
Rejuveniqe S Super Activated Oil. Powerful, proven, effective. Exclusive to MONAT, and no one will ever be able to copy it. The future of hair care is here, thanks to the scientists at MONAT.